Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add a photo to a contact on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the other Redmi phones, and if you want to add a photo to a contact on this phone, you need to go to the phone app. Here there is, and now tap here and go to settings and swipe, and here we have calling card, and here we have contact calling card. Now just tap on create and choose the number. In my case this is the number, and now you can take a photo with the camera. You can choose from gallery or from Google Photos. I will go to gallery and I will choose, for example, this photo and tap done, and this is how it looks. Now just tap done again, and the calling card is saved. Now I will exit and I will call on this phone to see how it looks. And you saw how it looks. It looks very nice. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.